So guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna be replacing the hood latch. So the one that came on it, they cut it, I guess, cause you can see it says stuck on the hood written. So I guess when they were trying to pop the hood, they couldn't get it open, and then figured out all you had to do was just pull the latch, but they ended up cutting it. So what we're gonna do first is this mounts right here. If you can tell, these two of 10mm bolts. That's why this is here. But they took that out too. So what I'm gonna do, slide the old one through. I'm gonna set you on the tripod. Alright. So I'm gonna slide it through. Like so. And then once you got it separated, you're just gonna pull this all the way through. And I'll show you where it's from. That's where it feeds through, right there. I'll show you from the other side, but right now we're just gonna pull this all the way through because the wire's cut anyway, or cable. See? Yeah, I chopped it. So now, with the hood latch mechanism, we're gonna lift this part through. And you want to be careful that you don't break that little plastic tab. And then we're gonna unhook it from here. I'm not sure the camera's picking it up. You see that slot the cable's at? Just slide it through. And then now we're gonna feed this through the same hole that we just pulled the cable in. Well, pull the cable from. So if you forgot where it was from, you see that right there, that little black grommet, that's where we're gonna feed it through. So we're gonna push that end part right through there. Once I do that, I'll show you from the fender well. Alright, so I just took the grommet out, put some motor oil on this, lubricate it, feed it through, and now I'm just trying to get the bigger portion in here, about through here. There we go. Now I'm gonna feed it back through that hole. Tripod ain't gonna be able to fit under there. I'm gonna feed it right through the hole up there. Alright. Yeah, I got the gist of it. So once I feed it all the way through and put the grommet through, go back to the wheel well. Alright, so now I'm gonna just pull the grommet straight through. And try switching hands. Alright, I'm not gonna do this with the camera in my way. But just feed the grommet through and make sure the lip sits flush onto the body of the car. Alright, so I got the grommet fully flush all around. So now we're gonna go back inside the car. Alright. So now we're gonna reattach the cable. Feed it through as so. Slide it down. And then just push this through. That's so. And then use this 2 10-mil bolts. Alright, so we're gonna put it right here. And then feed the 10-mil bolt through. Lines up with this hole and this hole. Sorry. This one and this one. I'm gonna feed the extra through. I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna tighten it. Alright, and now we're done in the inside of the car. Alright, so now we're going to take these little hood hinge covers and put them through. You know, open them up. That's so. And get them on like that. And then the first one, you can see, goes right there. Right before, right above the O. So you just take it and feed it through. Oh, only got one side on. Alright, now that it's in, the other section goes right in between the fender. So, and then this one's broken, so I'm gonna have to replace that one. But goes in between there. Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so now that we got the cable hooked up into its little guides, what you want to do is set the sorry for the glare if there's any. Feed the little rectangular piece through here and make sure it gets caught right there. You can see. And then the next thing you want to do is feed that through right there, right to this little slot. Push it, and voila. Now I don't have my new radiator support in just yet, but you just take your 3 bolts, bolt this back onto the radiator support, and get all done. But that's it for this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.